Hello and welcome to my very first WrestleCrate unboxing. Clearly, it's already been opened, so we're off to a very bad start, so instead I will review each item. Okay, so to start us off we've got the Progress Wrestling 1 month free code. I'll keep that for later. We have a sticker that's the same as the t-shirt from last month. I think it was last month, the Road Warriors t-shirt. Really good sticker. We have Ginny, the current Progress Wrestling's Women's Champions badge. WrestleCrate really good with the badges, always good quality badges. You can go with the collection. Next up we have a tube. A tube with a poster in it. There. And it is a poster of the Macho Man Randy Savage. And I will not be doing an impression because none of us want that. That can go along with my collection later. And we have a DVD. This is Riptide Wrestling's Riptide Rumble. It includes matches such as the Riptide Rumble, would you believe it? As well as David Starr versus Jack Sexsmith, Jimmy Havoc versus Ginny in a no DQ match, as well as other matches which I'll get to watching that at some point. Next we have Captain Charisma, the Peep King, Christian's autograph. Really good looking graphic. That can go along with my collection. Lots of WrestleCrate collections. We have another autograph. This is the Grizzled Young Veterans, which is James Drake and Liverpool's #1. WWE's #1, Zach Gibson. We have the booklet with things in it. And before we get to the t-shirt, let's come back to this little box. This is WrestleCrate's Heavy Crate Champions. We've had CCK's Chris Brooks, CCK's Kid Lycos, and now the Mod Father, Flash Morgan Webster. So let's have a look. In Mod we trust. Yes we do. It's a good little figure. That can go along with CCK. I look forward to seeing the next one. And so finally, let's get rid of the box. Because we have the t-shirt that I've definitely not seen yet. I wonder who it could be. And it's the Session Moth Martinez. So there we go. That is July's WrestleCrate. Hopefully I'll see you again next month with an actual unboxing. And it will feature the Skull King Triple H Funko Pop, because that's 1 out of 6 and I'm #1.
Just stop! Just stop it! Stop! No! Just stop it!
So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to WrestleCrate. I will leave a link in the description. They've recently started a thing called Crate Coins, where you can purchase things from their second-hand store. If you're brand new, you can go back and buy all things if you're interested. You can even collect one of these, all of these. Just make sure you subscribe.